Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sarala. Welcome to Millet Magic. Khichdi is a simple yet tasty dish made in different styles across the country using dal and rice. It's one of the easiest recipe to make with millets which can be eaten as breakfast, lunch or dinner. Today we will be making one such version of khichdi which is a healthy and wholesome meal as we are incorporating greens and veggies into it too. So let's begin. The ingredients needed to make the khichdi are 1 cup of kodo millet and I need exactly 1/4 the amount, that is 1/4 cup of moong dal. Note the ratio 4:1. Red chili powder, mustard, jeera, turmeric, desi ghee and cooking oil. Here I am using safflower oil which has been extracted by wooden garnies driven by bulls. I also require 1 cup of finely cut carrot, 1 cup of finely cut coyote squash and 1 cup of fresh green peas. I'm going to boil these three and keep them aside. I also need 1 cup of finely cut onion, 1 cup of finely cut methi leaves, 2 inches of ginger and a few green chilies, and 1 cup of finely cut tomato. First I am going to lightly roast the moong dal until it emits a nice aroma. I am also going to lightly dry roast the kodo millet just a little. And then transfer it into another bowl, allow it to cool and then I'm going to allow it to soak for 6 hours. I'm also going to soak the moong dal for 1 hour and then cook both the millet and the moong dal separately until it is soft and well cooked. So moving on to the next step, I'm going to add a little bit of cooking oil into a thick bottom pan and allow it to heat. I'm adding in some mustard and allowing it to splutter. And then some jeera. Next to go in are the finely cut onions. I'm going to saute them a bit. Let me stress on the point that turmeric has curcumin in it which acts as an antioxidant and helps to remove the free radicals which are generated when we heat the oil. So make sure you add turmeric right in the beginning and not towards the end of your cooking. Next I am going to add in the finely cut methi leaves and saute this as well. Now I am going to add the finely cut tomatoes and allow them to cook. Next I am going to be adding all the cooked vegetables, that is the carrot, fresh peas and coyote squash. Don't discard the water which you have boiled the vegetables in. We will be adding that into the dish soon. Next I am going to add the cooked moong dal. Make sure it is well cooked and soft. Then I am going to add the cooked kodo millet bit by bit and incorporate it all together. And now to adjust the consistency, I am going to add water. I am using the water which I had boiled the vegetables in, as I do not want to lose any of the water soluble vitamins and minerals. Now I am adding grated ginger. You can make it into a paste and add it right in the beginning along with the onions, but I prefer it grated and added at this stage. Now I'm adding 2 spoons of red chili powder and I'm going to give it a nice mix. And then salt to taste. For some extra spice, now I'm adding a few green chilies which I've slit through the center and fresh coriander. Though most of the ingredients have been cooked individually, when they all simmer together for a good 5 to 10 minutes, it enhances the taste to a great extent. So now I'm going to add a little more water and cover it with a lid, turn down the flame to sim and allow it to cook together. You can see how all the ingredients have now cooked well together. And lastly, I'm going to top it with a gracious amount of desi ghee. This is going to take the taste of the khichdi to the next level. A final mix and the khichdi is ready to be served. Those who say khichdi is boring, wait until you have tasted this. I'm sure your opinion will change. This was one of my favorite khichdi recipes. Stay tuned to Millet Magic for a few more equally tasty variations. Until then, happy cooking!